How to view Messenger messages without being seen. To read Messenger messages without being seen, turning off your read receipts in Messenger is a good way to get your piece without inviting more trouble. Let's see how to turn off read receipts in Messenger. On your Messenger panel, tap the three lines in the top left corner and go to Settings. Scroll down and find Privacy and Safety. Click in and look for what people see and read receipts. Tap in and turn off the Show Read Receipts. Then, is there a method to read Messenger messages on another phone and without sending read receipts? However, this method needs you to install FamiGuard Pro on the target device. Then you can read that phone's Messenger messages from other devices like phones, computers, or any browsers with internet. It is so easy to set up FamiGuard Pro.